It is still your favorite graphic designer, Big Tech, and I'm happy to have you all here. So guys, in today's tutorial video, I'll be teaching you guys how to create a Glassmorphism effect in less than 6 minutes. Yes, I'll be showing you how you can create this amazing, beautiful effect using just your smartphone on PixelLab. So if you know you would like to learn the step-by-step process on creating a Glassmorphism effect, I would like you to stay with me to the end of this video. So guys, without further ado, let's get started. Alright guys, once again you're welcome back to my YouTube channel. Like I previously mentioned, I'll be showing you guys how to create a Glassmorphism effect in less than 6 minutes. Please, if you are new here, if you are yet to subscribe to my YouTube channel, kindly smash the subscribe button and also hit the like button, because you will certainly like this video. And do not forget to smash the notification bell so that YouTube can notify you whenever I drop a new content, so that you can get notified easily whenever I drop a new video or an amazing video. So guys, when creating a Glassmorphism effect, there are a few things you must bear in mind. There are a few things you must take note of. For you to apply this effect on a design, you must make sure that you have already created the Glassmorphism effect. Secondly, you must learn how or know how to create a blur effect. Yes, with the blur effect, you would be able to now create the Glassmorphism effect. In case you don't know how to create a blur effect on images, backgrounds, or icon, don't worry. I dropped a link in the description, and with that link, you'll be learning how to create a blur effect. There are 2 videos in that link. Just go ahead and click on the link and you will definitely learn how to create a blur effect using just your smartphone. So guys, quickly let's import the background we'll be using to create the Glassmorphism effect. Okay, this is the amazing background I will be using, so just stretch it as usual. Okay, so duplicate it, then delete the one behind. Okay, beautiful. Now let's work on this background so that the background can look sharp. Increase your saturation to 8, increase the brightness to 3, then the contrast, increase it to 10. This is beautiful. Go ahead and lock the background. Now another thing you have to take note of is the fact that you can't create a Glassmorphism effect without using a shape. So click on your shape. You can decide to use any shape of your choice. It is up to you. You can decide to use circle, triangle. It is dependent on what you want to achieve with this beautiful effect. Now for the purpose of this tutorial, I'll be using a square to create the blur effect, and also I'll be adding a curve to the edges of the shape. So increase it to 12. That's okay. Now the next thing you need to do is click on this icon, then hide the shape, unlock the background and save the background. So click on this icon, click on save as image, change it to ultra, save to gallery. Beautiful. Now also click on this icon, hide the background, unlock the shape, click on this last icon, click on transparent. We want to also save this shape, but we want to save it as a PNG file. Yes, PNG files are those files without a background. click on this icon, then click save as image, change it to ultra, then save to gallery. Beautiful. So guys, unlock the background, then hide the shape. That's beautiful. So the next thing we need to do now is to go and blur this background. Remember, we saved the background, so we want to apply a blur effect on the background. So that is what I'm about to do now. Okay guys, I've applied the blur effect on this background and I would like to import it. So lock this again. So let me go and import it. This is the background. I've added the blur effect to it. You see it? Please don't stretch it. Don't stretch it. Just leave it this way. Leave it the way it is. So click on this icon, lock it. You get? Yes, just lock it and turn it off. Beautiful. Then click on this icon again. The next thing we want to do is that we want to import that shape we saved as a PNG file, which is the square shape. So click on import. This is the shape. Yes, please don't stretch this shape. Don't try to stretch it from this point. Please don't try to stretch it. Just leave it the way it is. Just leave it the way it is. Go to relative size, stretch it from here. You get? Beautiful. Then put it at the center. Go to texture. Now let's texture that background we blurred. Yes, we want to texture it into that shape. So click on it. Beautiful. Hope you can see the effect. That background we applied a blur effect on. We have textured it into this particular shape. In case you don't understand what I've done, watch the tutorial over and over again and you definitely get it right. It is not difficult. Just watch the video again and you understand. So guys, if you are done with the letter part, the next thing you need to do is go to stroke, enable your stroke. Wow, hope you can see what we've done. Beautiful. You can increase the stroke to 3 to make it visible. You can also decide to add shadow to it, enable it, but this time around you'll be using a white shadow. Then go to the blur radius, decrease it. Yes, that is it. So guys, this is how to create a morphism effect. Yes, this is how to create a morphism effect using just your smartphone. It is quite simple. It is not difficult. So I would like you to tell me what you think about this video, about this effect that we have created. And in case you have any question, do not hesitate to drop your question in the comment section. Thank you so much. If you are yet to subscribe to my YouTube channel, do not hesitate to hit the subscribe button and also hit the like button. Lastly, turn on the notification bell so that YouTube can notify you whenever I drop a new content. It is still your favorite graphic designer, Big Tech. See you in my next video. Thank you so much.